mission. But you still can. Take the seer kit. It is your best chance for survival.
I've got something, but it's faint. Cannot confirm. Commander Briggs, I'm picking up a data core, but it's a weak signal.
Are you sure you have the coordinates? Boost the signal. I need to get through to them.
Commander Briggs, I have a lock on Cooper's position. He's pulled BT's data core. You must have the seer kit.
BT, Cooper, what's your status? Cooper, how copy? Over. BT 7274. Cooper, how copy? Over. Cooper, this is Commander Sarah Briggs. If you can read me, get to the bridge 1 click north of your position. We've only got one shot to turn this fight around and you're it. Our fleet's moving in on the fold weapon. We're coming. It's not over yet. Just keep moving. The anti-air defenses are extremely heavy around the fold weapon. We're having trouble getting boots on the ground and we're running out of options. We have one last Vanguard in the racks. I'm pulling its data core and preparing it for Titanfall. Titanfall.
Hello, Jack.
Glad to have you back in one piece, BT.
Over 25,000, actually. BT 7274 online and ready for combat. It is time to complete our mission.
Cooper, I'm throwing everything I've got at the IMC, but it's not going to be enough to stop the fold weapon. I need you to get inside its control room. Commander Briggs to all battle stations. I want close fire support on Cooper and BT. Do whatever it takes to cover them.
Solid copy. We'll go.
Cooper, get up that hill. We'll cover you. Move!
Tracking target. Firing. Danger close.
Warning, our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required.
I see him. Firing. Danger close. Target locked. Fire.
Militia Titan spotted. Engaging.
Titan down.
see him! Firing! Danger close!
Militia SIS in sight. Engaging.
Target's locked!
Try hard to attack.
Enemy Titan down.
I'm gonna make you regret that one.
A reactor. Battery required.
Tracking target! Firing! Danger close!
Enemy Titan down.
Keep moving. Don't let up.
Oh, you handle yourself well with runs. Yeah,
I see him! Firing! Danger
Smart
close!
core ready. Enemy Titan down.
The Stockton just went dark. Give me a sit rep, now!
This is Captain Landiger of the Rutledge. Stockton took a broadside. It's going down!
Commander Briggs, this is Gates of the 6-4. Are we late to the party?
You're just in time, Gates. How much juice do you have left in the Malta?
Got plenty to spare. Don't worry, Coop, we've got your back.
Targeting systems online. We are weapons hot.
enemy Titan in sight. You're mine.
Firing!
Enemy Titan down.
Target's locked. Firing!
Smart core online. Excessive damage. Warning. 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 Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required.
Taking hits. Militia outlaw on them. Laser core activated.
Warning. Battery down.
The Stockton just went dark. Give me a sit rep, now!
This is Captain Landiger of the Rutledge. The Stockton took a broadside. It's going down!
Commander Briggs, this is Gates of the 6-4. Are we late to the party?
You're just in time, Gates. How much juice do you have left in the Malta?
We've got plenty to spare. Don't worry, Coop, we've got your back.
Targeting systems online. We are weapons hot. Firing!
All right, pilot. I hope you're ready for a real fight.
Enemy Titan down. Smart core ready. Smart core activated. Smart core offline.
Firing! Danger close!
Enemy Titan down.
Slow down. Take a breath. Last.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. Enemy Titan down.
I have to hit harder than that.
Keep these guys off your back. It's all you from here on out. Cooper, we're tracking Blisk and Sloan just ahead. They have the arc. Keep moving.
We must stop the IMC from using the full weapon at all costs. If we fail, the militia planet of Harmony will be destroyed.
IMC personnel. This is General Mardo. The mercenaries have delivered the Ark. Prep the fold weapon.
Initiating preliminary fold weapon power systems. Powering up targeting responders.
Set location to the militia planet Harmony.
Initiating targeting systems. Harmony. Coordinates 264.588 recorded.
You have your money, Blisk. Now go. My forces will take over from here.
About time they do something.
I think our militia pilot's trying to be a hero. He's all yours. Keep the salvage.
Who said anything about salvage? I'll do this one for free.
You know what I see when I look at you? A pile of easy money.
Arc injector loaded. Spooling up stage 1.
We tighten down. Smart core offline.
You can't outrun a laser core, you little bugger. As I say, pilot, this is more entertaining than I expected. Get him, lad.
Enemy pilot in sight. You're mine, British.
Fold weapon priming sequence passing stage 2. Coordinates locked. Report system. Planetary designation. Harmony.
It's wrong. It's bloody wrong.
Alright, I'm ready for more. Sorry, mate. Time to die.
Fold weapon passing stage 3. Calculating 6-fold projection.
Smart core.
Come on, good one. You're a tough little bugger, ain't ya? Let's see how you handle some reapers.
Smart core offline.
Fold weapon approaching stage 4. Ring momentum at 97%.
I'll give you a hero's death. You deserve that much.
Warning. Expected backblast energy reaching lethal threshold. All personnel must clear the chamber immediately. Disruption of electromechanical units, including Titans, will be severe.
I will not be destroyed by some pitiful excuse for a pilot.
Enemy Titan down.
Cooper, get the Ark out of there before it launches. Hurry!
Fold weapon priming sequence complete. Deploying the Ark.
Cooper, BT, do you read?
Cooper, the injector backblast has overloaded my critical internal systems.
BT, Cooper.
Attempting to restore ocular systems.
We fired everything at the fold weapon. No effect on target.
Ocular systems restored. My analysis is pro. Warning. Hostile Titan detected.
It's your lucky day, hero. I'm not going to kill you. I don't work for free. But you don't get to kill me either. Yeah, you earned this, eh?
Liz, that Vanguard-class Titan is still in there.
Not my problem, Marder. Should have put it in my contract. I've got other people with money to see.
What are you doing? What do you think you are doing?
My analysis indicates that the probes are option. Was our only option. Our only object. The throw is our only option. Cooper, I require your assistance. My auto-navigation systems are offline. Get me into that injector assembly. We must do this together.
Boost the signal! BT, Cooper, our ground teams can't make it there in time. You've got to find a way to destroy the fold weapon from the inside. There's no other way.
Commander Briggs, I believe I have a solution. In its exposed state, my reactor core may be able to destabilize the arc at the center of the fold weapon.
What are you saying?
We can blow it up. I'm sending you coordinates for a dropship rendezvous.
Coordinates received. We'll be there, but I don't see how you can.
Trust me, I have done the math.
I sure as hell hope so. We're on our way. Good luck, both of you. Briggs out.
Don't worry, BT. I'm not going anywhere.
Copy that, pilot. Protocol 3. Protect the pilot.
BT, what are you doing?
Trust me.
BT!
Marking your HUD with the coordinates. The evac site might be in midair. There's nothing we can touch down on here.
And if I'm flying through this shit show, you better be there on time, kid.
Move, pilot! I'm tracking you. Keep going.
Cooper. A lot of people owe their lives to you. And to BT. Barker, set a course for Harmony. Take us home.
You got it.
Ninth Fleet, this is Harmony Command. Good to have you back. Welcome home.
The destruction of Typhon saved the planet Harmony. The militia calls this planet their headquarters. But millions of others call it home. Commander Briggs says I'll be inducted into the Marauder Corps and assigned a new Titan. After the techs wipe what's left of my neural link with BT. I don't know what that'll feel like, to get assigned a new Titan. I kinda like the old one.
Great job on Titanfall, to all of you.
This is Pilot Jack Cooper, signing off.